Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Mutation testing versus regression testing. Regression testing primarily focuses on checking the program and its functionality, while code mutation instead looks at how the testers respond to problems. The former also largely takes place after multiple iterations of a program, while mutation checks can be at any stage of development, though usually in the early parts of the testing phase. Both regression and mutation tests can deal with individual coding units and how minor changes could result in significant issues that testers must work to rectify. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.